y'all. So I got a new wig today and I'm trying to decide if I want to take this one to Coachella because I'm going to Coachella on Thursday. Today's Monday and I don't know what I'm doing with my hair yet, and I feel like this is giving springtime and it might be really cute. So this is the one. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So this is Erica. I actually got to do the color and name this unit for Hairvivi, and I named it after my best friend Erica because this is her favorite color, and like she dyes all of her wigs this color. So I named this one after her, and she loves big curly hair, so this one is especially for her. And this is my first time seeing it besides the pictures, and it looks so good. I'm happy that the curls are tighter. I thought they were going to be loose, but that means the hair can get big. I'm so excited. She's gonna love this. Oh, she's gonna love it. Okay, so this one has the fake scalp sewn in. So some of them don't have the fake scalp anymore. Actually, I believe that you can request if you want the fake scalp or not, because you guys know that they do the strips now. I'm looking for the strips. I'm like, where are they? They do like the little medical tape strips now, so you can request to not have this put inside, but I don't mind it. And if you don't want it, they're super easy to take off. Like you literally just cut one piece of the thread and the whole thing will just like unravel out. But this one has it already sewn in, so I don't have to worry about putting the strip in the inside. And I need to take this V part off, so I'm gonna take this V part off and then I'll come back and put the unit on. Okay, so wig is off, and one of the reasons I love the units that have this sewn in is because you don't have to do the ball cap method, and sometimes I just don't feel like doing it. I don't think it's 100% necessary at any time, but it does kind of give you like a nice little scalp or nice little base underneath. And I love that they put the grips on the elastic band. Comb it a little bit. Is it because my hair is poofy underneath? The only thing that I will say about the wigs that have the cap sewn in the inside is if you don't line it up right, then it can look a little weird. Like if I pulled it back, then it looks like kind of hollow right here, and then the cap starts right here. So I like to make sure that the cap is where my forehead is, if that makes sense. So like where the cap starts, I just pull that forward and line it up with my forehead so that it doesn't look like that weird little emptiness, because the cap is not sewn all the way to the top, if that makes sense. So I just line that up with my forehead, and then this one doesn't even really need to be cut, but I am still going to cut a little bit because my forehead is bigger than this. And then I can't see, so I'm going to remove just a little of this so that I can see.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me.
So with some of the units, I can get the sides to lay down perfectly, like with no like added anything, but this one is not, it's not having it. So like the lace is like kind of bending my ear down a bit, so I'm going to remove a tiny bit. There we go. My ear was like, I can't breathe. I'm gonna go in with this one. And then I did exactly what I always say not to do, and I didn't comb out the spray first, and now I got little crusties. So I'm just rubbing a little oil.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love look. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget.
I'm just going to tie it down for a little bit, and then I'm going to juicify these curls.
But you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work.
I'm going to go in with my curl cream too. This is still a sample, but my big containers came. They just don't have labels on them yet. Look how that looks. It looks so good. No, I should have tried the curl cream on that other unit. Look at that. So I think a side part would look really nice with this. But this is how it looks with the middle. But I think the side would really like set it off. Do a tiny bit of baby hair right here. This is what it looks like now. Okay guys, so I am all done. Extremely satisfied with this. What? Look at the curls. Look at that. They look so good. So I'm gonna show you guys the back. This is the back. Nice and full and thick. So it's still a little damp, so I know it's going to grow and get bigger. So I'll pop back in maybe tonight and show you guys what it looks like completely dry. But I love this. I love this so much. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have everything down below listed for you guys. The only thing that's not going to be there is my curl cream just yet. I'm hoping for the release by May 1st. Fingers crossed. I'm just waiting on my labels to come. But I literally have all the products in there. They just don't have any labels on them. But yeah, everything else will be listed down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. So this is what the hair looks like later that night. It's about 11 o'clock. I fell asleep on the couch and everything, y'all. And I woke up and I was like, oh, I need to record the hair. And I'm also hella greasy. But this is what it looks like. Super big. Still love it so much. I got a little frizzy for me, like laying down smashed on the couch. But this is how it came out. I think I had this wig on for 3 or 4 days. But yeah, I love you guys. I will see you in my next one.